What's up, guys? It's Sean with American Print and Supply. We're here at Dax in Minnesota, standing in front of the Artemis. This is our new 2-head DTF printing solution. So the nice thing about this system is it's actually running on the same chassis that our Hydra runs on, which is our 6-head expanded gamut. So the really nice features that are included on a machine that is actually running on the Hydra platform is we actually have a heated damper system inside this machine. We have a motorized pendulum system to keep that feed nice and flat, so we're avoiding head strikes and things of that. We also have crash sensors on the left and right side of the print head. So your print carriage does see the film, it'll stop. You're not gonna have a catastrophic head strike with a system like this. So this is our new 2-head. You're looking at about $24,000 for a package like this, completely turnkey, ink, film, and powder. It's a white glove installation built into that package. That white glove installation comes with us coming out and actually installing print heads, getting your ICC profile dialed in, figuring out your environment, getting it set so we can run this thing wide open throttle. And just like all of the systems we sell, the dryer that comes with the printing system is capable of handling wide open throttle on that printer. This machine itself will run about 125 square feet an hour. You're gonna have a perfect cure coming off at wide open throttle on that printer. So if you guys have any questions, give us a call, ask us about the Artemis. You can reach us at 309-328-8767 or www.americanprintandsupply.com.